Hey everyone, welcome to Royal Caribbean's beautiful Harmony of the Seas. This will be our first vlog in our Harmony of the Seas vlog series of our 7-night Caribbean cruise. Harmony of the Seas has so much to do, from endless food and drink options to onboard entertainment. It's impossible to be bored. Harmony of the Seas is a whopping 1,188 feet long and 215 feet wide and is one of the biggest cruise ships in the world. Harmony of the Seas has a 10-story dry slide called the Ultimate Abyss, 3 different water slides, a splash park for kids, pools, and more fun. It also has different neighborhoods on board, such as the Boardwalk, where you can find a carousel, dining options, and the bottom of the Abyss slide. Central Park, a place for beautiful strolls through the garden with fine dining and regular dining options. The Royal Promenade is home to Sorrento's Pizza, bar options, the Cafe Promenade to get a great cup of coffee and shops, as well as the famous Bionic Bar. If you ask Greg and I what our favorite part of cruising is, it's obviously the food. And on Harmony of the Seas, there are so many food options. Included in your cruise fare, you can have a sit-down meal every evening in the main dining room, or you can check out the Windjammer for a buffet with every option you can think of for both picky and non-picky eaters. There are also places to get a quick bite to eat, such as Cafe Promenade for sweets or a sandwich with your tea and coffee, Sorrento's Pizza, which is Greg's favorite on the boat, or there's Mini Bites, a place to get a burrito, nachos, hamburger, and more while you're enjoying your time at the pool. There's also the Doghouse on the boardwalk to stop and grab a hot dog or sausage. Park Cafe in Central Park has a salad bar, sandwiches, soups, and some of the more lighter fare options. Vitality Cafe in the spa has some lighter fare like small sandwiches, yogurt, granola, and more. There are also many options under the specialty category of dining, which you can buy a dining package for or pay by restaurant. During our cruise, we had the dining package and tried out almost every specialty option, some even twice. Located in Central Park, our favorite option on the cruise was Jamie's Italian by Jamie Oliver. Serving fresh homemade pasta and other delicious Italian cuisine, we actually ate here twice. Also located in Central Park is 150 Central Park, a more upscale dining experience with locally sourced ingredients. We ate here twice as well. Another dining option in Central Park is Chops Grill, which is Royal Caribbean's steakhouse and available on most of their ships. If you're feeling like a culinary adventure, we recommend trying Wonderland. Themed off of Alice in Wonderland, this is such a unique experience where you get to try course after course of beautiful dishes. This one is not for the picky eaters, but is such a fun evening. If you like sushi or hibachi, check out Izumi's on the 4th deck. This was the only specialty we didn't have a chance to eat at on this trip, but heard wonderful things. Another of our favorite spots to eat is Sabor, located on the boardwalk. This one is a cheaper specialty option and where you can enjoy fresh guacamole and delicious Mexican cuisine. Their margaritas are amazing. The cheapest specialty dining is Johnny Rockets, also located on the boardwalk. A 50-style diner with amazing milkshakes and your classics like burgers, onion rings, and fries. On most sailings, you can actually stop here for breakfast too, and breakfast is included in your cruise fare. We already mentioned the slides and pools, but there's all sorts of different onboard activities. There's also the Flow Rider, which is where you can learn to surf. Maybe try some mini golf or check out the basketball courts on board. Or, if you're brave enough, try the zip line that's 9 decks above the ground. Or go on a ride on the merry-go-round. Check out the rock climbing walls, and more. There's also a skating rink on board too if you want to go skating. There's arcades on board, shops, the casino, a comedy club, and 13 bars on board, including the elevator bar, which you board and can start your drink in the Royal Promenade and slowly be elevated up to Central Park. You'll always find something to do here. In terms of cleanliness and hygiene, the ship was being cleaned 24/7, and everywhere we turned there were hand sanitizer stations, and you weren't able to enter any buffet areas without washing your hands. Now that you have an overview of the ship, we'll start off our vlog series with day 1, which was the day we boarded the Harmony of the Seas. We're boarding! We are on the boat! Excited now? Greg got his pizza. had an ocean view balcony room. It had a lovely balcony outside with a beautiful view of the water, not right here as this is Port Canaveral. It also had a couch in the room, outlets next to the bed. It was a king-size bed that was really two twins pushed together. The bathroom was actually nice and spacious. It had a good-sized shower in it. And it had lots of storage in it too, lots of places to put our luggage away and keep things organized. This is where I would put my makeup on each day and get ready for dinner. It was a lovely room.
Oh, she's back. This is a pretty good spot.
The beautiful Port Canaveral. Umbrellas, just in case it rains. Wow. That's where we're having supper. We're at Sabor. Oh, thank you so much. Beautiful Sabor margarita. Queso fundido. We got the chicken tacos. Looks delicious. Are you gonna try that?
You got your swirl.
I love my twist ice cream.
He never gets a twist.
I love my twist ice cream. We are in the solarium. It is absolutely lovely. Okay, so fair warning, this is gonna look like a lot of food, but there was so many things that we wanted to try. You can order as many appetizers as you want, and then they recommend trying a small size of their homemade pasta before your entree. We've got the burrata with the sun-dried tomatoes and arugula. Looks good. We got the meat plank. I have the truffle. This looks so good. And Greg has the carbonara. Looks good. How is it?
It's quite lovely.
Is it? All homemade pasta. Greg got the braised shortbread. Looks so good.
Megan got
the lamb chops.
wrapped up lamb.
Greg got the lemon meringue cheesecake. That looks impressive. What do you think? Greg got the tiramisu. Excited?
Mm-hmm.
Impatient?
Mm-hmm.
Did you like your lemon meringue?
Lovely.
Mine's very good too. I'm just so full. Get whatever appetizers you want. You get a pasta, and then you get a main entree, and then a dessert. That's a lot of dessert. And we like those kind of checks, don't we?
It's all zeros.
All zeros. That was delicious.
That was delightful.
That was an excellent meal to start.
That was not bad.
There's 150 Central Park. We'll be eating there.
45 Main Street.
That's what he keeps calling it.
you so much. Thank you.
What is it?
A lavender daiquiri.
Is it good?
Tastes like lavender.
So very good.
That's delicious. 10 out of 10. It's a windy evening. Look what you found. Whoa.
Isn't it trippy?
It's kind of freaky. Nothing but ocean. Tonight's game is follow the husband. Where is he going now?
Thank you so much for watching our first day aboard the Harmony of the Seas. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to follow along on the rest of our days at sea as well. Thanks so much for watching.